Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the night stream. We talk about gaming news, pop culture, and anything I find entertaining. And I tell you, it's here. I think we all kind of knew it. Mortal Kombat 1. It's a reboot. I kind of called this when we originally saw the trailer, like a teaser trailer, and it skipped 12 on the clock and went to 1. But hey, this is actually exciting, and what I find more exciting too is the fact that new fighting system. This is great. Why? Because my personal opinion, I could not stand the block button. I think it was something. I hope it's something that they retire. I know the block button's been a staple for the Mortal Kombat gameplay. But and especially built around, you know, the blocking system. I hope that they change that. Now let's take a look at the trailer here, okay? Because there's some stuff that I want to point out, because this is obviously a new timeline, and the franchise has been going back and forth with. Okay, so you have a choice, right? This is
yours. Whether to live in quiet serenity or bloody strife.
So what this indicates to me is like maybe the story mode has a special like choose your route, right? Good or bad, Paragon type stuff, you know? Like you make your choice on how the story is told. That's what I'm guessing. That's what it seems like. Because remember, we're getting another point. Hang on.
As sworn enemies or united as brothers.
This hints at another option of like you make your own choice on how to tell the story.
In this new era, one constant remains.
So
There is always something worth fighting for.
this is cool because it just, you choose violence and it gets pretty nasty. Shang Tsung's soul rip fatality was always one of my favorites from MK2.
You have chosen to defy peace. Then you have chosen war with a god.
I mean, I think the whole idea, just look at how awesome this looks. All right, I'll leave it up to you guys to see the rest of the trailer. I'm excited for this. I think it looks awesome. Again, I'm really excited that it says here, even in the description, it's in our blood. Discover a reborn Mortal Kombat universe created by Fire God Liu Kang. So obviously like an alternate timeline. Mortal Kombat 1 ushers in a new era of the iconic franchise with a new fighting system, game modes, and fatalities. And so if you pre-order May 19th, which is tomorrow, you get Shang Tsung as a playable character. And PlayStation and Xbox players will also receive beta access available in August. Now the game comes out, what's the release date here that they have? So the game comes out September 9th. I mean, that's great. I'm glad that, you know, the announcement isn't too far away from an actual release date. So I think this is great. What do you guys think about the new battle system and what they're going to probably, like what that's going to entail? I'm excited for that. Again, going back to the roots of the Mortal Kombat franchise, this opens up a whole new door of opportunity, a whole new realm of opportunities, huh? Yet, okay. right, well, that's some news. Like, subscribe. Appreciate you guys. Talk to you soon.